Hey, assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back. So today is Sunday, the last day of the week, and from tomorrow in 13 hours 37 minutes we're going to start off Monday. And I think on so many levels you're looking so good, on so many levels. Even on Bitcoin side you're looking amazing, you're looking really good on so many levels. That's the only thing I can say. I mean, it's almost as if next week is just bound to be green. There's nothing really stopping the market to actually go to the upside. Of course, we can be surprised, but the thing is, in order to be surprised, you have to go down, maybe even below 2381. If you go down to 2381, well, we are going to be surprised for sure. Then that's this whole rounded bottom is going to go out of the window and is going to be cancelled, unless we don't go down for a handle, and this can actually be a cup and handle here, and then you go up. That's still okay. But if anything other than that happens, well, be ready for disappointment. Now the next thing is the EMAs are having a bull cross, and the bull cross is pretty much confirmed as well. The break has already done. I think you're looking good. Okay, BONK is looking so good, and I really expect a move even up to 4733. But at least my first target is going to be 39 something. 3900 is going to be my target. But expectation is that you also go to 4700 in the future. Now on the smaller time frame, you have been sideways, but I think by tomorrow you might actually just drop a little bit for the retest and then go back and move to the upside. Now if you check the weekly, speaking of the weekly, because tomorrow is a new week, the candle is being taken over by the buyers. Okay, this is a bullish candle, and I don't remember the name, but when you see no wick down here and a whole green candle with a little bit of a wick up there, understand that this is a huge sign that the market is about to go and move to the upside. It's almost as if we go back here, it has happened so many times. Okay, this candle has appeared so many times. It is actually like this. Okay, and look what happens the next week, and then you had another candle. What happened the next week. Anytime you go and look at a candle like that, it happened here, look what happened next week. Okay, it's a proof that the following week has always been a green one. Now this was the only time where it didn't actually happen. Okay, this was the only time it didn't happen, but for most of it, I may say actually 80% of it, it has always been to the upside. And the odd is that you're also going to move to the upside, because once again you have a rounded bottom, and this rounded bottom is a bullish reversal pattern to actually go and push to the upside. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Office.